It's your boy Crypto Blood. What's going on, people? Tuesday, and I'm rocking out to some Beastie Boys, Intergalactic. Thanks to Cathode Cure for the song request. I snuck yours in there in front of. I got quite a few song requests in queue, but I wanted to get this one in here because they requested it on Tuesday. It says here on Tuesday, play Intergalactic by the Beastie Boys. Forgot about this joint here. Classic hip hop music, people. So again, hope you guys are doing well. I got my coffee, I got my cigar, I got my water. We good, we ready to rock out. So today we're going to be talking about a new business venture that a celebrity has gotten into, and it's crypto related. We'll talk about that. And also we're going to go over, of course, the market cap and look at some technical analysis. I switched the chart that I have you guys follow. If you do follow on TradingView, I switched it to the hour chart, so I'm going to look at some more detailed technical analysis really quickly, give you guys my updates on that. So let's get right into it. Market cap is sitting at $415 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is at 34.8%. And like I said, it's not really moving. Market cap is up slightly, so I don't know which ones here. I did see that Ethereum Classic was up pretty big. Yeah, it's up 15% today. So overall, kind of stagnant around the $400 billion marker. So not too much to say about that. But from a technical standpoint, yesterday I edited the view on the chart so we can zoom in a little bit. And noticed here, as you can see here, these two areas are previous support and now resistance. We need to see a break above the 9400 area. So that's basically my updated technical analysis on that. I zoomed into the hour and saw these two areas I have circled here, and pretty much put a line in the sand there. Now I'm saying that 9400 is where we need to see a break above. So basically this last two to the left, two to the right, that coincides with this previous support, now resistance. So, you know, just keep that as a mental marker. You don't have to follow these charts like every freaking hour. Like if you put in your head major price areas, then you'll know when you look at the price of Bitcoin or any asset, if it's above or below, you'll know, you know, kind of where we are in the markets. So you don't have to like follow the charts all day, every day. But that's where we are right now, people. We got to get a break above 9400. And then the next area for me, as I've stated, is the 10,200 area. So make sure you guys follow my chart on TradingView. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. On to the article for today. Gigaman Jay-Z expands his portfolio to include crypto. So it says here that Nas and Snoop Dogg have backed trading platform Robinhood, and now legendary rap star Jay-Z has added it to his portfolio as well through a subsidiary. And that company is Robinhood, guys. I'm sure you heard about the big news a few weeks ago. Robinhood is stepping into the crypto game, and they've got some heavy backers. Robinhood is current valuation at 1.5 billion. Okay, so let me just put these types of things into context. So Robinhood valuations at 1.5 billion. They have 3 million active users. They have revenue. They have a real product. It's not in beta. It's actually a live full product. The valuation is 1.5 billion. Now, I'm going to jump over really quickly, and I wasn't planning on doing this, but this just came to my mind. Let's go to a crypto or a token asset, I should say, that actually, let me do it this way. I'm going to go ahead and just I'm going to just look at strictly tokens here. So let's find one that's near 1.5 billion in market cap. I'm going to try to find one. So Populous is at around 1 billion in market cap. Omizago 1.2 billion in market cap. Okay. So, and I said this the other day, you know, I was defending Populous from the standpoint of how much FUD they get for things. But I've stated before, guys, I told you guys that a lot of these ICOs and companies currently where we stand right now, most of them have no products, no user base, revenue is nil. So, and I'm not saying this going to, you're going to see a crash in the pricing of these assets. I'm just kind of giving you a perspective to look at here. Pillars at 258 million. So some of these to me can be overvalued for sure, but that, again, that doesn't mean that it will correct or anything at all. When we're in a new space, so maybe the way, and I know Reggie Middleton talked about this, it's a complex way of valuing or putting a valuation on these new assets, because we're in new territory, so we don't really know, or we're learning how to put the correct valuation on these tokens from that standpoint, not just looking at strictly outstanding tokens times supply and or whatever, and you in the price, and you get the valuation or market cap of these tokens. So just keep that in mind, people. But back to the actual article, it says here, Sean Carter, 48, better known as Jay-Z, owns an entertainment-centric management company, Roc Nation. Talent agency, concert promotion, music production, record label, film production, and even music publishing are among its calling. The 21 Grammy-winning 100 million records sold Mogul can now add crypto to that list. It goes on to say, in spring of last year, Mr. Carter announced a subsidiary, Arrive Venture Capital, under his Roc Nation banner, Live Nation Entertainment, which in turn is owned by Liberty Media, to focus on startups. Mr. Carter's penchant for investing in hungry companies goes back to at least as far as 2012, when he reportedly went tech, luggage maker, Away, private jet outfitter JetSmarter, and even a Series B round with Uber. I didn't know he participated in a Series B round with Uber. Arrive's head, Neil Cerny, explained, Arrive was created to leverage our experience and resources in building brands, developing consumer-facing businesses, managing artists, and representing athletes. We've opened that diversified global range of expertise to a new vertical, entrepreneurs and their early stage businesses. So it says here, Robinhood late last month announced it was expanding its services to include free trades in Bitcoin and Ether, and it set off a firestorm of publicity. Though the company doesn't plan to become a cryptocurrency exchange proper, analysts believe such a format could one day seriously challenge more well-established platforms. I don't know why they wouldn't be thinking to become an exchange proper. Within a week, over 1 million people sign up for the service. And it has this this image here. It says 25% off ticket prices for Beyonce and Jay-Z. I guess this is some promotion for a concert that Jay-Z and Beyonce are putting together. It says here, purchase using Bitcoin. Well, hell, if you use Bitcoin to purchase the ticket, you may miss the concert. By the time you get 6 confirmations, you may not get six confirmations until 3 weeks after the concert. But at any rate, you know, I see what they're trying to do here. Not his first rodeo, it says here. Mr. Cerny continued, we believe in Baju and Vlad's mission to make the financial markets more accessible and cost-effective for customers of all sizes. Robinhood will have our support as they execute the long-term vision of their company. Robinhood already has over 3 million users. I was just talking about that. Its total value is inching near $1.5 billion. Its model is a loss leader, with stock trades being essentially free. It also launched a web-based service, and it's Robinhood Crypto. Though limited in scope initially, it's already considered a success. So let's see what happens here. Just going to finish up here. Though rappers such as 50 Cent have notoriously invested in Bitcoin as well, Jay-Z was the first. His Soldier Field Stadium concert partner with local newspaper Chicago Sun-Times to sell tickets in Bitcoin through a third-party vendor. So what do you guys think about entertainers and athletes? This is going to be a more and more common thing we see going forward as the crypto community matures. My only concern is I don't know if these individuals understand that cryptocurrencies by nature is to be decentralized. So with the advent of decentralized exchanges, I'm not sure long term, you know, I'm saying long term in business, 5, 6, 7 years out, what value add is there with like a Robin. I mean, I guess it serves as like an on-ramp to crypto for sure. So as you know, so does Coinbase, Kraken, and all of that. But I don't know. I envision someone very smart figuring out a way to even have peer-to-peer onboarding to crypto from fiat. So I'm sure that is on the way, and once that happens, man, it's pretty much over. I know you have local Bitcoins that's been around forever, but even a more, I don't know, seamless way to do like peer-to-peer matching in real life from fiat to crypto. What are your thoughts, people, on this move by Jay-Z and other celebrities? Interesting to see. I don't know how this is going to pan out, especially having Robinhood having such a, and you know, I've seen many startups have this business model where they'll run in the negative. They're operating, their revenue will be, they'll run in the red, just for the sake of having users, and then they'll try to come back later and monetize on those on that subscription base of 3, 4, 5 million people. So, you know, it's a challenge, but if you got the skill to do it, it can become very successful. So let me know your thoughts on that, people. That's pretty much it for today. Again, thanks to Cathode Cure for that Beastie Boy request. Keep those song requests coming, people. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also join that web out room. We've got I've got a pinned message in there for all the WebBot members. Make sure you go in there on the Telegram, check out what it is, and handle your business. All right, it's your boy Crypto Bud. I'm out. Holla.